ministry and did it with such God-given wisdom, but yet his own brothers, think about this, his own brothers came and stood before him, and they didn't recognize him. And I think that's a pattern, a template that we can look for this Messianic figure. There's going to be a leader who's going to emerge in Israel, who is going to coalesce all the people around him to a point where he begins doing things in a Torah way, and one day he's going to be standing in front of his Jewish brothers and sisters, and they're going to go, my God, it's him. He was with us all along, and we didn't recognize him. And I think that's important because I think it's important because even the leaders of the other parts of the so-called free world, I think they have to be of a mind that they don't recognize this person, because if they do, they will kill him. And we've seen that happen before with, and I'm going to invoke a name that people may be uncomfortable with,